Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, day shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4. In our previous classes, we have discussed about the use of the right form of verbs. That means the rules of the right form of verbs. And today we will do some exercise. Let's start our class today. Now all of you look at the board. So what is the instruction? Rewrite the sentences with the correct form of verbs. And now look at the exercise number 1. Laila dash will, and there are two options, sing or sings. So we will at first choose the correct answer from these two options. Then we will rewrite the full sentence. Now look, Laila is a third person singular number and we are talking about only one person. And now look, sing or sings. So both are in the present form. Both the verb are in the present form. So which one? And we all know that after third person singular number we add s or yes at the end of the verb. So which one will be the correct answer, my dear students? Yes, it will be sings. So our sentence will be Laila sings well. Now number 2. Yesterday he dashed our house, and option visit and visited. Now look, my dear students, when we find yesterday in a sentence, it will be what? Yes, it will be past indefinite tense. So we will choose visited because here visited is the past form of the verb visit, and we know that the sentence will be in the past indefinite tense because there is yesterday. So our sentence will be yesterday he visited our house. Now number 3. Where dash you live? And options are do or does. And now look, do or does both in the present form. So our sentences will be in the present indefinite tense. But which one will be the correct one? Do or does? Now look at the subject here, you. And we all know that after you, we, they or I, we use the present form of the verb, or that means the base form of the verb. We don't use or add s or yes at the end of the verb. So our correct answer will be do. So our sentence will be where do you live, and then we will put a question mark because it's a question, it's not a statement. And when you will find a statement, you will give a full stop at the end of the sentence. Now number 4. Every day we dash exercise, take or do. Now look, my dear students, we all know that when we find every day in a sentence, and every day in a sentence, we know that it will be present indefinite tense. So our correct answer will be take, because take is the present form of the verb and took is the past form of the verb take. And we find every day, that means sentence will be in the present indefinite form or simple present tense. So our sentence will be every day we, now our correct answer, take exercise. We choose take because we find every day in this sentence, and when you find every day in a sentence, it will be present indefinite tense. So remember it, my dear students. Now number 5. The boy dash a student, is or are. This is very easy. I know all of you know the answer, because we know that the boy is the third person singular number. That means we are talking about only one boy, and we know that when we are talking about something which is in number 1, we use is. So our correct answer will be is, and our sentence will be the boy is a student. Now number 6. He dashed out just now, and the options are went and has gone. Now look, my dear students, there is just now, and could you remember when you find just now what will be here? Yes, this sentence will be present perfect tense. So which one will be the correct answer, went or has gone? Yes, you are correct. Our correct answer will be has gone, because in the present perfect tense, after subject we need to add have or has verb, and then there will be the past participle of form of the verb, and gone is the past participle form of the verb go. So this is our correct answer, and went is the past form of the verb go. So it is not correct. So our sentence will be he has gone out just now. And now look, number 7. I dash my prayer regularly, and the options are say or says. So which one will be the correct answer? Could you guess? Now at first look at the word regularly. So when you find every day, regularly in a sentence, we all know that the sentence will be present indefinite tense. And now look, here is the subject I, and we all know that after I, we, you and they, we use the base form of the verb. That means we will not add s or es at the end of the verb, though I is singular number, but still we will use the base form of the verb. This is the exceptional rule. So our correct answer will be say, and our sentence will be I say my prayer regularly. Now number 8 and the last one. We have dash him captain. Options are make or made. So which one is the correct one? Yes, you are right. Made will be the correct answer. Why? Because we all know that after have or has verb or had verb, we use the past participle form of the verb, and made is the past participle form of the verb make, and make is the present form of the verb. So which one will be the correct one? Yes, the past participle form of the verb is the correct one. That means made, because after have we will use the past participle form of the verb. So our sentence will be we have made him captain. So my dear students, let's read the sentences. Number 1, Laila sings well. Number 2, yesterday he visited our house. Number 3, where do you live? Number 4, every day we take exercise. Number 5, the boy is a student. Number 6, he has gone out just now. Number 7, I say my prayer regularly. Number 8, we have made him captain. So these are the 8 examples or exercise we have done it today. And my dear students, there is a homework for you. This is homework number 11. And what will you do as your homework? Let's read. Rewrite the sentences with the correct form of verbs. And there are 5 exercises. You will do it as your homework. Number 1, she dashed a small basket in her hand. Options are has or have. Number 2, a good boy dashed his lessons regularly. Options are prepare or prepares. Number 3, Abir dash tell a lie. Options are don't or doesn't. Number 4, I dashed you long ago. Options are see or saw. Number 5, where dash you from? Options are am or are. So these there are 5 exercises you will do as your homework. And my dear students, you will do your homework in your HW copies, and you will submit your homework copies on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. And it is very important because your SBA, city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So all of you do your homework regularly and submit it on time. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.